Are you an artist and you suddenly saw a copyright claim on your own song on YouTube? Maybe you even saw a red cross like this on your $sign showing that your video cannot be monetized. And you are wondering, how can my song have a copyright on my channel? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you exactly why this happens and how to remove it completely on your YouTube channel. A lot of artists get confused when they upload their music video on YouTube and suddenly see a copyright claim on their own video. Sometimes you will notice a red cross like this on the $sign, which means the video cannot be monetized. This usually happens on official music videos, lyrics videos, or even audio uploads of your own song. And you begin to ask yourself, how can my own music video have a copyright claim? The reason you are seeing that copyright claim is because your music has been distributed to streaming platforms. When you distribute your song through a distributor, your audio is sent to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Amazon Music, Deezer, Tidal, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, Boomplay, and many others. These platforms also send your music to YouTube Content ID. So when you upload your own song on YouTube, the system automatically detects the audio and plays a copyright claim on the video. But don't be panicked. This does not mean someone stole your music. It simply means your distributor is protecting and managing your audio through YouTube Content ID. In this video, I will show you how to remove that copyright claim from your own YouTube video step by step. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss an important step. And if you are an artist who distributes music online, this video will help you avoid copyright issues on your YouTube channel. So let's dive into my phone now. So I'm going to be using somebody that messaged me for this tutorial. Okay, I just saw this on my channel. I don't know the meaning. Copyright, BT Bao. I think they demonetized the song, right? Like, how come copyright my own song? So, and I try to send a voice note to the person to calm her down that your song is saved. Your song is not, nobody steal your song, all right? So your song is saved. It's just your distributor are the one protecting your song, right? Because through YouTube Content ID. So let us dive into our channel to remove the copyright claim. Can you see this is the copyright claim that I'm talking about? Can you see that the $sign has been marked that it cannot be monetized, and then can you see a copyright claim on the song? Okay, others are making money. Can you see others? The $sign are on green, so this person is making money, but this particular song cannot make money because it has been, there's a copyright claim on the sound. All right, so let's dive in now to our YouTube channel to remove this. Let us go. Okay, so what you just need to do, you need to go to your YouTube studio. You can use your mobile to do this, and you can also use your laptop to do this. So right now I'm going to click on the particular song. So now can you see ONErpm, right? So ONErpm is already there, so I will tap on it. So can you see that this video cannot be monetized, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on the view issues. So can you see a copyright claim said the video can't be monetized? The copyright claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. This is not a copyright strike. So there's difference between copyright claim and copyright strike. Okay, you can only see copyright claim from audio, right? So but copyright strike, that's another thing entirely. So we'll talk about that one in the next video. So can you see it said audio Fight My Battle by Adeleye. So video can't be monetized. So what we need to do, we need to just click this arrow. This there's an arrow at the front of the message. So can you see copyright information, Fight My Battle? So, like, that's the title, the artist name, the music video on his YouTube channel. So right, so details, audio, and then this and then the content owner, right? This is the company that distributed the audio. I mean, the distributor that this artist used to distribute a song. That is ONErpm. So ONErpm is a music distributor, right, that distribute a song to all streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, etc. and all that. So impact on the video can't be monetized. That is just the impact. So right, so you have the two options. Let me take it back. You have two options. either you erase song or you make a dispute. So at this junction, we are going to make a dispute. We are not erasing the song, so we'll make a dispute. So can you see the process to take? Remember, these are not valid reasons to dispute a copyright claim. One, I own a copy of the song or video. I am not making money from my video. I give credit to the content owner. So these are not valid enough, right? So what you need to do is to take care that my dispute is not based on any of these reasons. So we have more reasons than that. So we click on next. So here, can you see here, there's a reason for dispute, original content. The content claim in my video is my original content and I own all the rights to it. License, can you see the license? I have permission or a license to use the content claim in my video. And this one we have fair use or fair dealing. I have significant transfer, so blah blah blah. So that is all that, but we are not using any of these three. We are only using this original content, that you are the owner of the content. So we click on original content, then you click on next. So at this junction, let me click on next. So here now you can read through all this. You can read through. So what I just need to do, I'll tick here to the content claim in my video is my original creation and doesn't include anyone else work. So I'll click on next. Okay, so here I need to drop a proof of message. So I already have the message. I'll paste the message here. I will drop the message on my description so that you can use it and copy it and use it for your own. Okay, so right now I want to give the proof of ownership. So I've already typed the message. I'm going to drop it as my description, so you can check my description for the message and edit the message. All right, so I will explain where I put dash and all that. That's where you put your own information and you are good to go. So I already typed the message. I will just going to paste it here. All right, so all right, so I'll drop the message as in my description, as I said earlier. So what I need to do is now is to tick here that review and confirm. I need to tick here. You need to mark everything. You tick here, you tick here. You can decide to read all the message already. I know what the message is all about. So what you just need to do is to tick all the 3 boxes. Then you put your full name. So I'll put the full name of the artist. Okay, so then I will hit the button. I will hit this button of submit. So I'm going to click on it. So can you see that dispute submitted? Now the content owner has 30 days to review and decide what to do. We will email you with their decision. So YouTube will now mail the ONErpm, the distributor of the song, and then when they confirm the metadata, so they will like, okay, this is the same owner of it, and then they will remove the copyright claim. Are we together now? So they will send mail. So let's assume that, okay, my name is Abraham Tushu, and then I distributed my song through ONErpm. So YouTube will send a mail to my ONErpm and confirm the message, confirm the metadata that, okay, this person is also the owner of this. They will send mail to my music email. Then I will confirm it. I will accept it that I'm still the owner. I will together. And sometimes YouTube doesn't send me email. They'll just confirm the metadata, because I will just use my real name and then the name that I used. So that is how to resolve the issue of copyright claim on your song. Okay, so and then within 30 days, sometimes it's not even up to 30 days, just maybe 2 or 1 day, even the same day to remove the copyright on my video. It has happened. So I'll just click on got it. So that is how to solve it. If you check back now, you see that let's check back, let's reload. Okay, let me check it. Can you see that the $sign has been back? Can you see the $sign is now back? It was crossed before, there's a red cross on the $sign. So the $sign has now been restored. So because there's an investigation going, so they will restore it back to confirm. So that's how it's going to be, but there's still copyright. So after confirming that you are still the rightful owner of the song, they confirm the metadata, the copyright will be taken out of it. So you won't see the copyright again. Can you see? Let me click here. You won't see the copyright again. Can you see? This is what you will see there. This escrow, and then it shows that there's still an investigation going concerning the audio of the song that will make a dispute about. So that is how it works. I mean, the song is already making revenue, so they just want to stop it because the audio is now being distributed on all streaming platforms. So it's just to keep your audio safe. Nobody stole your sound. Nobody stole your music. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, kindly please click on the like to like this video and click on the subscriber button to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the amazing content I'll be dropping on this my channel. Till we see you next time. Peace.